no revelation, there is no impartation. And where there's no impartation, there's no inspiration. And where there's no inspiration, there is no reformation.
Don't think about your mind, people. Well, I'm getting old, my mind ain't what it used to be. You got the mind of Christ. The only reason it ain't what it used to be is because you think it ain't what it used to be. But it's better than it used to be.